Alright guys, um, I'm gonna do a quick chart markup on a trade that I did on Volatility 75. It's actually it's currently the 12th of January. I took this trade yesterday, or was it? I think I took it like 1 a.m. So that was this morning. But yeah, I probably should have recorded this markup video before. But let's get into it. So Volatility 75 loves to follow structure, right? Now looking on the charts, you instantly see that it's bearish, right? We're in a downtrend. Yeah, fully bearish, right? Now I'm gonna show you what really caught my interest in this trade. For one, structure is being maintained. So we've established that it's bearish. Now I want to show you how I found a trade. I started on the 4 hour, right? And I notice this level right here. Notice this area of interest right here. So we're gonna label that point of interest. Alright. Now let's go down to the 1 hour. Okay, great. Now in this area of interest right here, this was what I wanted to see. I have this as our last recent high, and it's our liquidity point. There's money resting right here. So in the event where price would have taken these highs, which happened over here, but yeah, we're speaking in hindsight, but this was what I was looking for. So price came into this area and take liquidity right here. My entries are usually on the 5 minute time frame. So this is what I saw. Price took liquidity, and we had this spike to the upside, and then sudden displacement down. I marked off this fair value gap because this would be my entry. Price came back into the fair value gap, and I took my entry with my stops right above this last high. But just a toops of breathing room, right? Now, as it relates to target, so this right here was my initial target, and this is where I got out of the trade. But I still am anticipating price getting down to this level, and I'll tell you why shortly. But there's something else I want to point out. So with this trade, I took my initial position right here. As you can see, price did this thing, and we got a nice push down. But then we got some retracement. Now pay attention to this part. We got some retracement back up, and instead of getting out of the trade, I say, okay, let's take a deeper look at what price is doing. I saw that price is still maintaining the downtrend. So lower high, lower low, lower high. But we cannot reference this low high because price is just retracing and we don't know how far price is coming back, right? But as always, if you look left, which is key, we have a nice little 5-minute order block right here. Now remember, I stated that the 5 minutes is where I take my entries. So I'm like, okay, my stops are in profit, so I'm risk free on this trade. Why not take the risk? So I opted to take another short entry right there after that 5-minute order block and ride price all the way down. So now I have a additional entry along with my initial entry, right? And I just rolled price all the way down. Now the reason being why I still think price will come down to the 37,200 area, which is right down here. Look at this. As I said, V75 maintains perfect structure most time. The price action is wonderful. It's trending beautiful, right? Where we're at right now, while maintaining the downtrend, price is reacting nicely off all these levels. What I'm anticipating is price is gonna where is it price made a low, it's coming back to retest. No, that's not what I want. Is it? Okay, let's work with it. Price is coming down, it's coming back to retest this trend line, this descending trend line that's maintaining the structure as well, and it's going to come and it's going to break this level right here to make a new low. It's going to come back again to retest this level, and then it's going to go all the way down to our target area. Because why? We have, what do we got? We got liquidity resting right here. If price does make it all the way down here, we can expect a reaction back to the upside to possibly later continue down. Okay, so I'll keep a close eye on this one and see if there's another opportunity for more entries later on. But I got out right here.